You know, in North America, we've got to get more efficient with our housing strategy. When we talk about customization, we generally have guardrails within our own process that make us really efficient. So we can do a really good job, build as many homes as reasonable in a year, but most importantly, feel really good about the warranty program we offer and the home that you're gonna have after the photographers are gone and the magazine shots have been taken. What's it like to live in this home now for the next 5, 10, 15, 25, 50 years, right? So our customization offerings fall within like, okay, can we do that and still feel good about those items that I just listed off?